Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the SmartyPants Adult Complete Daily Gummy Vitamins, gluten-free, multivitamin omega-3 EPA fish oil, methyl B12, vitamin D3, non-GMO, 180 count, 30-day supply. It's sugar-coated, and the vitamins taste like something off the bottom of a shoe. It does not have essential minerals, and vitamins like B2, biotin, magnesium, manganese, iron, calcium, copper, potassium. These vitamins may have good ingredients on the whole, but there is way too much sugar. Only downside, which is also an upside, is you have to take 6 a day. Love the vitamins, but with a recommended daily dose of 6 vitamins the bottle goes quickly. Unlike traditional gummies that have a chewy texture, these gummies feel sort of doughy like dumplings. It seems like a lot, but they're tasty, and can be taken with, or without food, so it doesn't bother me to take more at a time. It feels great to have our family to eat healthy type of vitamin without any chemicals made. Love these vitamins. What makes them amazing? Omegas, and multivitamins all in one, and they really do taste like candy. How can you go wrong with candy that is good for you? The company is amazing too with all the donations they make. Like the idea of too much sugar, and they taste like the old school Flintstone Vitamin. They taste great, a great dessert after your meal, and has everything you need in a vitamin, and more. And yes, a burst of make your eyes water super sugar daily isn't ideal. They taste like lemon heads. They taste great, are fun to take, provide all the benefits of taking a traditional vitamin supplement. This also means you go through the bottle faster, so compare prices based on daily vitamins, not per count. Also, if you are taking them before bed, then you have the issue of potential harm to your teeth. If you take them after a meal, it's like a built-in dessert, if it is the type of sweetness you enjoy. Go to their website, and read the wonderful vitamins they put in it, and do not go with the cheap alternatives. The taste was great, but as they say, if it looks too good to be true, it is. Ordered on May 3, 2016, arrived on May 11, 2016, and the expiration date on the bottle is May 22, 2016. Our whole family loves them, and enjoys taking them, as they seem more like a treat than a vitamin. No more neon yellow pee from a vitamin blast in the AM like with other multivitamins. They taste good, but are hard to remember to take the second set of the day. What's the worst is that you have to take 6 of them instead of 2 with other brands. Every ingredient is explained on the bottle, even where the so-called natural flavors come from, which everybody freaks out about. If you've never had Sour Patch Kids before, try some of the candy before you shell out $20 for a huge bottle of SmartyPants gummies, and see if you like the taste. Finally, these vitamins also lack calcium, so some, especially women, may need to supplement calcium intake. If you drink plenty of milk, and eat lots of calcium-rich fortified foods, you're probably fine. Bottom line, if you need calcium, prepare to supplement these SmartyPants gummies with calcium. If you don't like anything too acidic, or sour, stay away. And if you can afford $20 a month for these, then SmartyPants gummies is probably the best way for you to get your vitamins. These are a little sweeter than the gender-specific ones, but all of them are great. They are decent tasting and everything, but having to take 6 for the daily dose is freaking crazy. This one is okay, other than the fact that an adult has to take 6 vitamins a day. If you do get them, maybe take 3 vitamins twice a day to spread it the sweetness. Other vintage vitamins appear not to dissolve quickly like SmartyPants to give that energy boost. Happy healthy kids, happy healthy parents, and they are all smart to boot. THX SmartyPants. Keep in mind, they sell these for young children as well, and these are cheaper, but not as potent, so pay attention to the label to make sure you are getting the ones for adult stains. These chewable vitamin gummies are great. They taste really good, and have all of the nutrients vitamins as the rest. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.